Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 deals with the percent of a number. It says you would like to leave a 15% tip on your lunch bill. If the meal cost $18.20, how much should you leave for the tip? So this problem is similar to the first problem where we want to find 15% of the lunch bill, which in this case is $18.20. Of indicates multiplication, so I'm going to multiply 15% in its decimal form, 0.15, times the bill for the meal, which is $18.20. If I type that into a calculator, I find out the tip that I should leave is $2.73.